Hi students, in last topic we have learned about the Chinky Heads Party, that is our first unit. Now we are moving to the second unit. This is about the test of archery. Archery means what, ma'am? A person who shoots bow and arrow especially to a target. Okay. You know how it will be, the bow and the arrow, right? So, who learns shooting with the bow and arrow, we'll call it as an archery. Archery means we can know about from Mahabharatam, Arjuna. He is the number one archerist in the world. So, this lesson is based on a drama on an event of Mahabharata. Mahabharata. Children, all of you know about Mahabharata. If you don't, nowadays in TV, in televisions also we can see Mahabharata serial is going on. By that you can refer what is meaning of Mahabharata, what have happened in the Mahabharata. So in this lesson we have some characters. Okay, in this lesson we have some characters. So I am writing here on the board. You just copy down in your notes. Okay. Dronacharya. Who is Dronacharya, ma? In those days, he was a best teacher. Okay, he was a best teacher. His name is Dronacharya, and he is the teacher of Pandava and Kaurava. He is the teacher of Pandava and Kaurava prince. Okay. For now, in Pandavas, Yudhishthir, Bhima. Now this is all about Pandavas. Okay, in Pandavas they have 5 princes, okay. And in Kauravas we have 100 princes. So now that many names we doesn't know. This lesson is about Pandavas. Now in Pandavas, these are the names. You just read after me. First one, the elder one, what his name? Yudhishthira. And second one, Bhima. Third one, Arjuna. Fourth one, Nakula. Fifth one, Sahadeva. These are the 5 Pandavas. Okay. Now, I am reading the lesson. Just listen, understand, ma'am. The Pandava prince and Dronacharya are in the jungle. This place is at some distance from their school. The young Pandavas have their bows, and around with them Dronacharya is talking to them. What happened? Dronacharya, he took Pandavas to a jungle nearby their school. So now Dronacharya, you all are brave prince. I have taught you to use different weapons to shoot with the bow, to ride horses and to drive them. I have also taught you to fight well in a war. What Dronacharya is saying, he is a teacher, that he is saying that I have taught you how to shoot with a bow, how to ride horses, how to fight in a war. In those days they used to fight in a war, they used to shoot with arrows, they will be riding on a horses. So what Bhima is saying, sir, you were taught me to use a climb too. I can fight with any man now. Climb means what? It will be like this, right? Climb means for only Bhima. Bhima can use this weapon to fight in a war. Now next, Nakula. Sir, won't you teach us anymore? Nakula is questioning Dronacharya. You won't teach us more. Dronacharya, smiling. He is smiling. I will. Your education has not been completed yet, my boy. Dronacharya is saying that your education is not completed. I will teach you. Then, Sahadeva. Then what else are you going to teach us? Sahadeva is asking, then what you are again going to teach us? Dronacharya, these are many things I want to teach you. But today, want to take a rest to see your skill in archery. What Dronacharya is saying? He wants to know what these 5 Pandavas, what they are having good skills in archery. He want to test. After explaining the lesson, we will take a test for you, right? So Dronacharya also taking a test for these 5 Pandavas. Nakula, is it difficult, sir? You will be asking us, no? If you are giving difficult questions or easy questions, you will be asking us. So Nakula is asking for Dronacharya. Dronacharya, no, it isn't. Dronacharya is saying, no, it is an easy one. Sahadeva, then all of us will pass. Sahadeva is saying to Dronacharya that we all will be passed. So Dronacharya, I don't know that, but I will test all of you. What Dronacharya is saying that he will test all of 5 Pandavas. Bhima, what's the test, sir? Bhima is asking, what's the test? Dronacharya, pointing to the tree. Pointing to a tree. There is a bird in that tree. You must shoot it in the right eye. Can you do it? Is it easy for that 5 Pandavas? On a tree, there's a bird. He is saying that shoot the right eye. If it is possible, no, na? So all what he is saying, yes, we can, sir. So Dronacharya, very well, Yudhishthir, get ready. What are you going to do? What Dronacharya is saying that? He is saying to ready for Yudhishthir. Yudhishthir was the elder one. So he will go first. Yudhishthir, sir, I am going to shoot the bird. Dronacharya, what do you see? Yudhishthir, see, sir, I see you, I see my brothers, I see those trees and also see the bird in that tree. What Yudhishthir is saying, I can see you, sir, I can see my brothers, I can see the trees and I can see that bird. Dronacharya, you can't shoot the bird. Don't try. Bhim, it's your turn. Now put the arrow onto your bow. Why Dronacharya said to stop Yudhishthir? We will see in the lesson. Bhima, I am ready, sir. Dronacharya, what do you see? Bhima, I see the tree, the blue sky behind it and bird on one of the branches. What Bhima said? A tree, I can see the blue sky behind it and the bird sitting on the branches. Dronacharya, don't shoot. Nakul, get ready. Again what happened? Dronacharya stopped Bhima also. Now Dronacharya is saying to Nakul to get ready. Nakula, I am ready, sir. Shall I shoot? Dronacharya, no yet. First answer my question. What do you see in front of you? Nakula, sir, I see my bow and an arrow on it, a tree. What Nakula said? I can see a bow, an arrow and a tree. Dronacharya, stop. You won't be able to shoot the bird. Sahadeva, put an arrow onto your bow and get ready to shoot the bird. So Dronacharya said for Nakula also, don't shoot. Now it's turn to Sahadeva. Sahadeva, I am ready, sir. Can you see the bird? Dronacharya is asking to Sahadeva, can you see the bird? Sahadeva, yes, sir, I can see it. Dronacharya, what other things can you see? Sahadeva, I can see the tree, its branches and leaves. What Sahadeva is saying? I can see the branches, leaves and the tree. Dronacharya, stop Sahadeva, you can't shoot the bird. Arjun, where are you? So Dronacharya is watching for Arjun. Arjun, I am here, sir. Dronacharya, are you ready to shoot that bird? Arjuna, yes, I am, sir. Arjuna, what can you see in front of you? Arjuna, I can see only the bird's right eye. What Arjuna is saying? I can see only the bird's right eye. What rest the Pandavas have said? They said behind whatever instead of bird eye, remaining all they have said. But only Arjuna is watching for the target only. So Dronacharya, can't you see anything else? Arjuna, no, I can't. I see only the bird's right eye. Dronacharya, what color is the bird? Arjuna, I can't say. I can see the bird's body. What Arjuna is saying? He is saying that I can't see the color. I just see the bird and the bird's right eye. Dronacharya, very good Arjun. Shoot. Dronacharya, learn to look at the mark, then only you will be able to hit it. So by this lesson, what you have learned, children, if you are making target to your what you want to get, so just concentrate on target, not rest disturbance or rest any things. So children, just concentrate on your studies, on your work. Don't distract with other things or playing with mobile phones or something by which you can be distracted from your mark. So this, I hope you understand the lesson. And about this work, I will send the note. You just do it in the as a homework.